Dear viewers, welcome to this video on a potential problem/issue and the corresponding solution to a feature called Muzzle Velocity temperature function in Applied Ballistics, in this case in a Garmin Tactix 7. I want to say right out of the gate that it's a very powerful function, since it helps you get the correct muzzle velocity for your cold bore shot, depending on the environment, on the temperature. So the issue comes from the fact that in order for this to work, you will not use the thermometer built into the watch, because it'll be sitting on your wrist, and therefore it's not going to be a good representation of gunpowder temperature. So you might do something else. For example, like what I've been doing, I have mounted my temper thermometer on the stock of my rifle. You could also put it in your backpack or in your ammo pack or wherever, as long as it's a good proxy to gunpowder temperature, you're fine. So the challenge, potential pitfall, is that the watch, and I'll show you the solution in a second, the watch will automatically connect to the temperature sensor, and it will keep updating the environment temperature every 5 minutes, which is all good and fine. The issue that I have encountered a couple of times is that I go to the range, I set up for a cold bore shot, and then I start my watch to find the solution. The issue is that this 5-minute update interval does not start with an update. So it will take 5 minutes before the watch actually picks up the temperature from the temper sensor and uses that in solution. And if you miss that fact, then you are likely, at least if you're shooting in a cold environment like I typically am, you will actually be using a too high temperature and therefore a too high muzzle velocity. So the trick I'm gonna show you now is how you make sure that you actually pick up the correct temperature initially before calculating the shot. This is how you make sure that you're using the actual temperature from your rifle or your backpack. First, go into menu, scroll down until you see sensors and accessories. Hit enter. Scroll down until you see your temper sensor. In this case, mine is not currently connected, so I hit enter and I click connect. Now it should hopefully connect to the rifle before too long. We're now connected, and we exit, go back, all the way back, hit for the activities, scroll down for Applied Ballistics. Sorry, that was one too much. Go into Applied Ballistics and then hit the enter button. And here's the trick. Then you go down to environment, hit enter, and it sets to auto update on, which seems fine, but that's exactly what will take initially 5 minutes. So the trick is to disable auto update and then re-enable it. As soon as you do that, it will immediately read the temperature from the sensor, and your shot solution will use the correct temperature. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.